Okay, so you're going to use your properties of logs to help you figure out an answer based on given information. So if I'm given log base 3 of 8 is about this number, and log base 3 of 5 is about this number, first of all, I want you to know you always need to write a third one that you're able to use. So if I see that my bases are both 3, I'm always going to write this one and say I'm going to possibly have to use this one. We remember when our base and our argument match each other, that's equal to 1, okay? So if somebody asks me to find log base 3 of 40, for example, I'm going to use my properties to show what the answer of log base 3 of 40 is. You can check your answer with your calculator, but you do need to know how to show your work here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the numbers I'm given, 5, 8, and 3, and see, is there any way I can make 40 given those numbers? Well, 8 times 5 makes 40. So I'm going to say, oh, well, that's the same as log base 3 of 8 times 5. And then I'm going to use my properties to say I can break this up into two pieces. Log base 3 of 8, multiplication turns into adding, log base 3 of 5. And then all I have to do is look up at my numbers. So I have 1.8928 is what they're telling me log base 3 of 8 is, plus whatever log base 3 of 5 is, so 1.4650, and then I would just type that into my calculator to find out what it equals, which it happens to equal 3.3578. So that would be how I could show my work to do that. Now let me give you another one. What if instead I said, well, I want you to find log base 3 of, say, 15. So now again, I'm looking up at these numbers to see, well, is there any way I can make 15 with an 8, a 5, and a 3? Well, I can make it with a 5 and a 3. I could say, oh, that's the same as log base 3 of 5 times 3. And then break that up into log base 3 of 5 plus log base 3 of 3. And then I just plug in what each piece equals. So this one equals 1.4650, and log base 3 of 3 is 1. So I know that my answer is 2.4650. And then I just showed my work on how I get that.